Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we have the first impressions of the brand new Samsung Galaxy F54 5G. This smartphone brings some exciting features to the table, so let's dive right in. First off, the Galaxy F54 5G packs a massive battery, which has always been a highlight of the F series. With its 6000 mAh battery and 25W fast charging support, you can expect a long-lasting performance. The phone comes in a sleek package, but be prepared to bring your own charger as it doesn't come bundled. Inside, you'll find a USB Type-C cable, SIM eject tool, and some documentation. Now, let's talk about the design. The Samsung Galaxy F54 5G flaunts a stunning stardust silver color. It's a chunky phone, but surprisingly feels lighter in the hand. With its rounded edges and comfortable grip, it's a pleasure to hold. The F54 sports a 6.7-inch Super AMOLED Plus display with a Full HD Plus resolution and a smooth 120Hz refresh rate. The bezels are a bit thick, but the hole punch cutout houses a 32-megapixel selfie camera. On the rear, you'll find a 108-megapixel main camera with improved low-light performance, along with an 8-megapixel ultra-wide and a 2-megapixel macro camera. Powering the Galaxy F54 5G is Samsung's Exynos 1380 SoC, promising solid performance. The phone runs on One UI 5.1 based on Android 13, and Samsung has committed to providing 4 generations of Android OS upgrades and 5 years of security updates. So, what do you think of the Samsung Galaxy F54 5G? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. And don't forget to stay tuned for our full review coming soon. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.